everybody, welcome back to Brighten Up Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Today we're talking about a topic that can change your life, and I'm talking about financial independence. If you've ever dreamed of living life on your own terms, then this video is for you. Join me as we explore some simple but powerful steps to achieve financial independence. What does financial independence even mean? Well, it means having enough savings, enough investments, and cash on hand to afford the lifestyle that you want for yourself and your family without relying on earned income. It allows you to make choices about how you spend your time and your energy. And why does it matter? Well, achieving financial independence provides freedom, security, and peace of mind. It allows you to pursue your passions and enjoy your life without all that financial stress. The benefits of financial independence. Imagine waking up every day without worrying about money. With financial independence, you can enjoy your hobbies, your travel, or even volunteering, all while knowing you're financially secure. Now, how do you get there? We're going to break it down into some steps. But before we do, let me tell you guys, if you're here for today's artwork, I will be showing today's artwork at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But let's jump into some simple steps for this. Number 1, create a budget and track your spending. Why is budgeting essential? Well, the first step toward financial independence is always creating a budget. It allows you to understand where your money's going and helps you identify areas to cut back on. It doesn't really matter if you make a whole lot if you're spending more than you make. How do you create a budget? You list all your sources of income. You track all the expenses for at least a month. You can use apps, you can use a pen and paper, you can use spreadsheets, whatever makes it easy for you. But you have to track all your income and all your expenses. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Again, this could be 3 separate pieces of paper: needs, wants, and your savings. Adjust your budget to prioritize saving and investing. So this will help you for budgeting. Consider using budgeting apps, again, like Mint, YNAB, which is You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet. Build an emergency fund. Step 2. Why is it important? An emergency fund will act as a financial safety net. It helps cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, and anything that could derail your budget. How much do you save? You have to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Some people suggest starting with $1,000 and then working up to 3 months and then 6 months. Start small and build it up over time. Set up a separate savings account to avoid dipping into this fund for non-emergencies. Here's some ways to build your emergency fund. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. Consider using windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses to boost your emergency savings. Consider getting a side hustle job, which we have some videos about here on the channel. Step 3. A long-term or short-term goal, depending on how much debt you have, but you need to think about paying off your debt. Now you may ask, why pay off debt? And why is it crucial? Debt can be significantly a barrier to financial independence. High-interest debt is particularly draining. It drains our resources and limits our ability to save. So here's some strategies to pay off debt. There's the snowball method. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first to gain momentum. And once you pay off one debt, you can move on to the next debt. There's also the avalanche method. Concentrate on paying high interest debt first to save money on interest over time. So here are some tips for staying motivated. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. No matter how small. Create a debt payoff chart to visually track your progress, which can keep you motivated. Step 4, invest for the future. Why does investing matter? Investing is key to growing your wealth and achieving financial independence. By investing your money, you can take advantage of compound interest and potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Types of investments to consider. A diversified portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, REITs, etc. Research and educate yourself about each option to find what aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Get started with investing. Watch investing videos. Start with an employee-sponsored retirement account like a 401k, preferably a Roth 401k. Learn the difference between a 401k and a Roth 401k. Especially do that and start there if there's a company match. It's free money. Additionally, consider opening an IRA for tax advantages. Okay, that's a lot of information, but it'll help get the ball rolling in the right direction. I want to thank you guys for joining me for Financial Independence. Remember, achieving financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. By creating a budget, building an emergency fund, paying off debt, and investing for the future, you will be laying the groundwork that you will need for financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more valuable content. Watch the video that's popping up. And remember, the sun always rises. This is today's artwork. I want to thank you guys for tuning in again. And go ahead, click that video. I'll see you right there.